Hi everyone. Today we'll be taking the motor assembly out of a Broan BW5030SSL. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your protective gear on. To remove the blower assembly on this model, the chimney hood has to be removed from the wall. The first steps, what you would do is you would take the screws out of the upper flues. There's a screw on the left side and a screw on the right side. Remove the screw, the upper flue will slide down into the lower flue, and you can actually just pick them up and put them on the side. The next step you would do, and remember this would be mounted on the wall yet, you would remove the filters. And there's two filters, and you would set them on the side. There are key slots in the back of this hood. There's one on the right side, one on the left side. You would remove those screws. Those screws are going into the wall. It's holding that hood tight against the wall. Once those screws are out, what you would do is you would lift the hood. There's a mounting bracket that attaches here. You'd lift the hood off, and you can bring that hood to your truck or on the floor, as long as everything's protected where this hood's laying. And the first steps to removing this blower assembly would be by removing 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And I'm going to go ahead and I am going to remove those screws here. What you would do then is you would spin this hood around. On the back side of this hood there are 2 more screws, and that's the reason why the hood has to come down from the wall. And I'm going to go ahead and remove those 2 screws. And once those 2 screws are removed, flip this around so you can see. And the blower assembly is loose inside this unit already. So the blower assembly, the cable runs all the way up inside the electrical box. There's 2 screws holding the electrical box cover. I'm going to go ahead and take those screws down. That cover will just pull down, and you can see the cord goes up inside this unit. There's a wire restraint. You just remove the wire restraint and the motor just plugs into the electronic board. And that's it. You just reverse the steps for installing a new one. Thanks. Hope it helps.